Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make whole wheat boiled dumplings. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, I have my whole wheat flour right here. All you need is salt, whatever salt you like, and water. Okay, so you're gonna add some salt, and then you're going to combine the flour and the salt. Alright, once combined, you're going to start pouring water slowly, because now we're going to make the dough. And the reason for pouring the water slowly is because you don't want your dough to be too sticky. So you just add slowly, so you're not adding too much. You're adding just the right amount. And if it's too sticky, you always have the option to add a little bit more flour. Like this. All right. So now this is how you make the dumplings. So take a small piece like this, and it's however you want to do it, like size wise. You can make it smaller or you can make it a little bigger, but basically you're going to get it in a little ball like this, press, and then there you have a dumpling. So small piece like that. As you can see, this is all I'm doing, just folding underneath, and then once you get it into a ball like this, press to flatten, and then you have your dumpling. And one thing I forgot to add, which is important because you're using your bare hands, please make sure you wash your hands before making the dumpling. Wash your hands thoroughly, and by thoroughly I mean going underneath the nails and stuff to make sure it's all clean. Alright, so to boil the dumplings, you're going to add some water in a pot, add some salt, and bring that water to a boil. Since mine is already boiling, I'm just going to go ahead and add the dumplings to the pot. So just so you know, I'm boiling some potatoes as well, so I just peeled those and added those to the pot, and then you just cover and allow it to cook. However, you want to pay attention because sometimes it'll boil over. If it starts doing that, all you have to do is just open the pot slightly like this, the cover. Take the cover off slightly like this and leave it. It'll cook, no problem. Alright, so see what's happening here? This is what I was referring to. All you have to do is move the pot cover off slightly and look what happens. It goes back down, starts cooking, no problem. And just a little tip, after you add the dumplings, make sure you use a fork or something to move it around so it won't stick to the bottom of the pot.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.